I am not an expert on environment or climate change, but there is one concern I think we all need to consider: the era of plastic. A common estimate shows that every year 500 billion to 1 trillion plastic bags are being used around the globe. And this does not even include other types of plastic like the commonly used plastic bottles. It means the world uses 1 million plastic bags per minute. Surely, a plastic bag is easy to use, but it needs up to 1,000 years to decompose. And if burnt, it gives off poisonous fumes which are harmful to health. They damage our livers, stomach and lungs when we breathe in. Also, it can hurt our eyes. When it reaches the atmosphere, it can lead to acid rain that can actually damage the environment and devastate biodiversity. When we bury a plastic bag, it barely decomposes. It blocks the air and water circulation in the soil, and it restricts the roots of trees from normal growth.
We have been trying to raise the issue of why urban waste is created, why this plastic has been started to be created in a huge heaps of garbage. So right now we are trying to clean it up. We are also trying to show the people to see the plastic that you had thrown like years and years before, it's still there. So we cannot do much right now because we don't have the facility in India right now to segregate everything, which is again a government's initiative which should happen. And that is not happening somewhere. So we will be throwing it into the community dhalao so that it doesn't get spread on the road and everything. But again, via this option, we are also telling the people side by side, sir, please stop using these things. These are very harmful, not just plastic, thermocols and everything. We have started to use minimum of plastic and everything. And even if we use something, we innovatively upcycle it. So we see it how we can use it innovatively. So if we want to throw some plastic bag, how can it be used again?
When we don't bury our plastic garbage, it spreads out the gas named methane, CH4, considered as the main substance causing the greenhouse effect that leads to climate change. Let's think for a minute about the future of the next generation. A future where the land is covered with plastic bags that take perhaps thousands of years to decompose, slowly poisoning our soil and air. How can these people live with that situation? This is something many people today don't pay much attention to. On the other hand, the cattle, the birds, and various other animals end up swallowing plastic covers while trying to eat what's inside. The plastic blocks their digestive tracts, often causing their death. Fact is, many people these days are using plastic bags. So how is it possible to stop them from piling up?
I work with Swechha, which is an organization which has been working on environmental issues for the last 10 to 12 years now. We do it mainly by showing people what an impact their waste has on the environment. When we work with school children, we take them to the landfill so they can see the whole mountain of plastic that we are leaving behind for generations to come. And it's very shocking for the children when they first go into a landfill. They can't believe that their dustbin is actually contributing to this. They see their own packet of chips, their own plastic bags. And when they come back, they have questions about how this landfill was created, why it was created, and where it's actually going to go. When they realize that it's not going anywhere, then they realize that they need to start doing something about it. We look at options then about how not to use plastic bags, what else can we use, what are the small things we as individual citizens can do to actually reduce the menace of plastic in our world today.
There are many ways for people to reduce the need for plastic bags. Start using cloth, jute and paper bags in our daily lives. Another one is to recycle it. Perhaps with assistance from NGOs and government institutions, we can conserve a fresh environment. Swechha is one such environmental NGO where the waste products are recycled and reused by giving it different forms.
I'm Nidhi Gupta. I work as a volunteer with Swechha. We use lot of waste products rather, to create a new creative things out of it. Plastic is a big hassle for many of us. We don't even know how to utilize plastics, bottles or poly bags and things like that. So we teach kids how they can make pen stand, dustbins out of it and give it a new life.
In this way, the waste products are given new shelf life.
मेरा नाम राम है। मैं ग्रीन द गैप कंपनी में एज ए प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर काम करता हूँ। यहाँ पे मोस्टली काफ़ी वेस्ट से अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, जैसे कि बैग्स हो गया, वॉलेट्स हो गए, जेंट्स वॉलेट्स हो गए और ऑफिस एक्सेसरीज, इस टाइप की चीज़ें। और अपने बनाए हुए सारे आइटम्स में हम मोस्टली इस्तेमाल करते हैं टेट्रा पैक, मिल्क पाउच, चावल की बोरियाँ, दूध के पाउच, डिस्कार्टेड कतरन के कपड़े, इस तरह की चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल कर करके चिप्स के पैकेट भी हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इन सबको इस्तेमाल कर करके हम यहाँ पे अपने अलग अलग काफ़ी सुंदर सुंदर प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं। एक चीज़ और मैं कहना चाहता हूँ साथ साथ कि ये जितना भी हम लोग ये वेस्ट हम लोग के ज़रिए जाता है, अगर सभी लोग इस टाइप से अगर रिसाइकिल वेस्ट की चीज़ों से बनी हुई चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल करें तो इससे हमारा इन्वायरमेंट काफ़ी हद तक ठीक होगा और गंदगी भी सड़कों पे रास्ते में काफ़ी कम मिलेगी। सारा का सारा एक तरीके से हमने इस्तेमाल किया, अदरवाइज़ ये भी किसी कबाड़ में जाता, कहीं किसी लैंडफिल पे फेंक दिया जाता। तो इन सबको इस्तेमाल करके एक छोटी शुरुआत करी है। अधिक से अधिक वेस्ट को इस्तेमाल करके कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्ट अपने लिए बना करके इस्तेमाल करें।
If every individual understands the bad impact of plastic and works together to reduce the use of plastic, we can conserve a fresh environment. And the best way to do it is say no to plastic bags.